it yourself. Art and craft. We're all looking for things to do while we are at home. We found some fun things for you to do this week. Let me tell you what they are. A ear-popping bookmark, a mummy and baby whale, Snappy the crocodile, magical painting, the messy trick. You can always pause the video at any time to follow the steps. Do ask your mum or dad to help you to cut whenever needed. Let's begin. A ear-popping bookmark. We sometimes cannot finish reading a book and may want to read it later and put a bookmark to know where we stopped. But sometimes it's not easy to find it. Not with this bookmark, as it has ears popping out. So let's see how to make it. Take a sheet of paper and fold it like this. Cut this part out to make a triangle. Now fold both ends inside like this. Don't forget to press. Open it and fold the top paper inside. Now slide both the ends inside like this. You can draw any face you like. Draw any shape for the ears and cut them out. You could color them a bit if you like. Take some glue and stick them on the top. And here's the ear-popping bookmark ready to go inside a book. And now I can quickly find the page. Yay! A mummy and baby whale. It's time to make this mummy and baby whale. First, take a paper and fold it like this. Open it. Now fold both the edges inside. Don't forget to press down on each fold. Fold it. Open it. And now fold it the other way. Open it up and bring the top part inside. Fold it once again. Let's make the tail by folding the narrow tip like this and the other way too. Open it up and push the tail up like this. Make a small cut at the end and fold it outside to make the flukes. Here's Mommy Whale. Let's make an eye and let's make her smile. Okay. To make a baby whale, do the same thing with a smaller square. And here they are ready to swim. Snappy the crocodile. Here's Snappy. He's the crocodile who is always snapping. Let's make him. You can start with cutting an empty box on 3 sides like this. Make sure not to cut the bottom side. Now cover the box with a paper of your choice. There's Snappy's mouth. You'll be placing your fingers inside this to make him snap. Now let's draw 2 eyes, some teeth, and a long tongue and cut them up. Open Snappy's mouth and stick the tongue half inside and half coming out. To put the eyes, fold the bottom and put some glue on it and stick it so it's standing like this. Now let's stick his teeth. Apply some glue on the edge and stick them on the inside so that his teeth are popping out. Magical painting. This paper looks blank, right? Let's see what happens when we paint over it. Hey, where did that rocket come from? Do you want to know how to do this? Let's do it. You need a white crayon to make this magical painting. Take your crayon and try to draw something onto the paper. You can draw the sun, the moon, or anything you like. Here, we're drawing some stars and a rocket. You cannot see the drawing very clearly, but you have to try your best. Now once you're done drawing, take some watercolors and paint all over the paper. Here we're going to use the color blue. And look what's happening. Since the paint does not stick to the crayon, that part stays white. You can surprise people around you by doing this. Good luck! The messy trick. We all use crayons to draw and color. But do you want to make this drawing into this? All you need to know is the messy trick. Let's do it. We're going to start by making some corners for the drawing. Now let's fill in the paper with colors you like. Here we're using some dark blue and then some light blue and then some yellow for the sun. Now take a piece of tissue paper and rub it over your drawing. Yeah, it almost looks like you're making a mess. That's why we call it the messy trick. Rub it, rub it, rub it. It looks totally different, doesn't it? You could even draw over it with any marker you have at home. Ta-da! Bye-bye!